Poor Maddie doesn't get any popcorn. I know. Oh, he's so abused. You can't have any. My popcorn. It's kind of hot. Yeah, you like popcorn, huh? Right? I hope popcorn's okay for Goldens. Yeah, you like that, don't you? Oh, look at the patheticness. Can you get any cuter? I wouldn't even share with Dad. Sit. Good girl. I didn't know you liked popcorn. Good girl. Oh, so cute, little muffin. Little muffin. Whoops. I didn't know she liked popcorn. Ready? Sit. Good girl. Good girl.